In 2001, a professor told his class something bold. In the future, every job will involve AI. At the time, it sounded like an exaggeration. But here we are in 2026, and AI itself is writing a huge amount of code. This isn't futuristic talk, it's happening right now and changing how we think about work, careers, and the value of computer science. Today, survey data shows that 85 to 97% of developers are already using AI tools in their workflows, meaning use them daily. For example, JetBrains found about 85% of developers use at least one AI coding tool, and a significant majority use them for generating boilerplate codes, fixing bugs, and writing tests. Meanwhile, some industry chatter even predicts that up to 90% of all the code in the near future could end up being AI generated rather than handwritten. Over 40% of the software development work is reportedly being handled by AI, especially on repetitive or predictable tasks. That's a massive shift from a few years. Some companies are pushing this adoption hard. Amazon, for example, is aiming for 80% of its developers to engage in AI-assisted coding weekly as part of its major AI overhaul, even as it invests roughly close to $200 billion in AI technologies. But here's the part that often gets lost in dramatic headlines. People still matter. Even though AI tools can generate code fast, in the same way a calculator can generate arithmetic, developers review, edit, and guide what AI produces. AI can suggest code, but humans still decide if it fits the problem, if it's secure, if it will scale, and if it will work over time. Research shows that while AI-assisted coding is widespread, productivity gains are not automatic. And many organizations report minimal changes in output or jobs so far despite heavy AI investment. What does this mean for you? There's a growing narrative that AI might replace software engineers. Some leaders, including CEOs of major AI companies, have publicly suggested that AI could handle most white-collar jobs, including software development, within the next 12 to 18 months. That sounds dramatic. But here's the most realistic interpretation. The nature of the job is changing, not disappearing. Entry levels and repetitive tasks, the boilerplate work most junior developers used to do, are the first to be automated. Studies shows early career positions can be more vulnerable, with employment among younger developers declining as automation grows. Research indicates that jobs for developers aged 20 to 25 declined nearly 20% in the recent years as automation displaced routine work. At the same time, demand for the higher level engineering skills is increasing. Firms struggle to deploy AI at scale, and specialized roles like AI engineers, machine learning operations specialists, AI security architect, and automation strategists are in strong demand, often commanding high salaries and remaining open for the long periods because companies can't find enough qualified people. So if you are a student, here the core lesson. Don't study computer science to type code faster than AI. AI already does that. Study computer science to understand systems, to architect solutions, to reason about scale and security, to anticipate failure modes, and to build products that humans actually need and rely on. Understand this. AI may automate routine tasks, but the deep thinking, the problem framing, the architectural decisions, the ethical decisions, and the long-term impact, that's still human territory. On a broader economic level, research shows AI is affecting over 90% of jobs across industries, and some estimates suggest that total value of the labor touched by AI could reach $4.5 trillion in US alone as workflows shift dramatically. This doesn't mean jobs goes away, it means they transform. Some tasks are automated, others are created. World Economic Forum analysis suggests AI could create 10 of millions of new roles globally by the middle of the decade, many of which will require coding, analytical reasoning, and system design. That's why demand for the AI-related skills, advanced programming, and computational thinking is skyrocketing. In fact, a growing share of tech jobs, posting around 50% in some markets, now require AI-related skills, with professionals possessing these skills earning significantly more than average than their peers. And don't think this data is abstract or distant. Countries right now are adjusting workforce policies, forecasting that jobs in tech and other white-collar sectors will require lifelong learning and continual reskilling as automation evolves. And that's even research pointing at how many young workers feel anxiety and uncertainty about careers in tech because expectations around skills and roles are shifting faster than ever before. So what's the bottom line for you as a student? AI is not the enemy. AI is not going to take your job. AI will take routine tasks, but it cannot replace your ability to think, to analyze, to build, to design, to architect, and to innovate. Computer science in the era of AI is about understanding why a solution works, recognizing what makes it efficient, and designing solutions for people. That's a future AI can assist with. Computer science isn't extinct, it's evolving, and the students who go deeper in the surface, who master fundamental, who learn to work with AI instead of being overtaken by it, those students will shape the next era of technology.